all doing good? So, do you remember what we were taking in the last class? Yes, we had seen the different means of communication, right? Now, in the olden days, before the internet came, before mobile phones and telephones were not very common, do you know how people communicated?
In earlier days, people communicated through letters.
Yes, through letters. Do you know how letters reach us?
The letters received at the post office. This delivered to our houses by the postman.
So now, let us look at some postal news. We send letters to other people by post. We write the letter and put it in an envelope and write the address of the recipient on the envelope. Then we paste a stamp on it. This is a postcard, the cheapest means of letter communication. The price of a postcard is 1 rupee 50 paise. The letters are then dropped in a post box. The postman collects the letter from the post box and takes it to the post office. While sending a letter, it is very important to write the address of the recipient on the envelope. When the use of internet began, people found out a new way of communicating other than through letters. Do you know how it is?
People used email to send texts, image, etc.
Yes, people started sending emails. For sending an email, both the receiver and the sender should have an email address. Like we send letters, when we are sending letter, we have to write the name of the receiver and the address of the receiver, right? You all listen to news every day, right? What are the different ways by which you listen to news?
We get news from newspaper, television, and radio.
Can you name some news channels in Malayalam?
Media One, Matrbhumi, News, Asianet, News, etc. are some Malayalam news channels.
Okay, now can you name some newspapers in Malayalam?
Madhyamam, Matrbhumi, Malayalam Manorama are some of the Malayalam newspapers.
So all the system that transfers news, information and stories to a large number of people is called the mass media. Other than news, what else do we get from these media? Let's see. From radio, we can listen to audio news, songs, advertisement, etc. On TV channel, we can watch audio-visual news, films, advertisements, etc. In newspaper, we can read news, articles and advertisement. Now, we have seen different means of communication. Some are used for communicating from one person to another, and some are used to communicate with a lot of people at the same time.